So far we have seen how to identify by using attribute. Okay, so now we'll see how to identify by using end and or. So last time we were trying here directly, so it won't work. So what we have to do is, so first, like same input, tag HTML, in HTML tag you have to pass, then add the red ID, then end what else attribute you want to compare. So end, I'm giving type is equal to text. So now this time I'll give name is equal to first name. Okay, so I'll just delete this. Name is equal to first name. So name is equal to first name. So multiple attribute actually I can take. Okay, name is equal to first name. So see, so end means both conditions should be true, means both locators should be true. So ID also should be same, and first name means name also should be same, means both locators should exist, then only it will work. Okay, if I'll remove one, see, it will not work, zero matching. If I'll give n, so since I'm using end means both condition, both locator, both attribute should be exist in my document object model. If either of the attribute will not be there, I will not be able to identify this text. Okay, because I'm giving condition end, so both conditions should be true, then only it will work, or else it will not work. Okay, so this is how in real time this work. Okay, end operator will work. So I'll just pass it here, and at last we can just execute and we'll see. Okay, so this is just one example we have seen. Then if you want, okay, either condition should be true. If suppose now I'll use or, so how or will work, suppose ID got changed, so still I have one backup name. Okay, so or either of the condition will be true, I will be able to identify this web element by using Xpath. Perfect. So you can go for like this, I can give multiple condition, or I can give something like first name. Okay, first name area label is equal to first name. So let's see, so or at the rate, or at the rate area label is equal to first name. See, perfect. So I have three attributes I have given, so either of one, if it will be true, yes, it will be able to identify my web element by using Xpath. So these are the way you can identify the web element by using different attribute, multiple attribute, right? So this is a multiple attribute. So or means either three condition is there, three attributes are there. So if either one attribute will be true, it will work. So see, I'll just try to give incorrect attribute. See, I've given one attribute which is incorrect, name was there, so I just remove the name, so it is not correct, still it is working. Okay, here also one is there, I'll just remove this e, still it is working because still one is correct. Now if I'll just delete this one also, then it will not work, because at least one should be correct, right? Or two should be correct, or if three will be correct, then perfect. Correct. So this is how we can use operator and or, okay, to identify by multiple attributes, okay, in Xpath. Okay, so this is how we can use it. Okay, now next thing we'll see how to identify by using text. Okay, so now we'll see how to identify the Xpath by using text. Okay, so now we'll see by using text. Perfect. So before going to the text, so we'll see here something I have, let me check. So I'll just click here this text, so I'll be able to identify. Yes, but I don't want, let me go somewhere where text is there. Okay, this text. So forget account is one link, so we have already seen in link text. So text we can use only and only when there is a text in web page and in HTML. Okay, so here in web page text is there, forget account, so here also text is there. Okay, so this is angle, angle open, angle close. Okay, so angle symbol we are seeing. Okay, so if it will be there in between, okay, close angle and open angle, so this will be the text in my UI. Perfect. So now if I'll see this, this text field, this user email or phone text field, so here we don't have text. See, we don't have text. Okay, we don't have text here for this text field. Okay, Similarly for first name also, if I'll go, so see, we don't have text, for this first name as well. Okay, so we can't use text only and only we can use if there is a text exist in a DOM. Okay, so here if you'll see here text is there, so you can use this text. Okay, here you can use this text to identify this web page, this web element, right? So let's go for another thing. So I'll go for login button. If you go for login button, see, login button text is not there. You can't identify this login button using text, even though text is written login. But in DOM we don't have text, so you can't identify this web element by using text. So if you want to use text, so that text must be present inside your document, because how Selenium API will work, it will trigger this HTML and it will try to perform some action. But if it is not there here, how it will identify in UI? Perfect, correct? So whatever you want to do, so this should be present in HTML. Okay, then only Selenium command or Selenium API will trigger this HTML and interact with your UI or browser UI, right? So this is as of now not there, you can't use it. Okay, so we'll just try one scenario where text is there. So yes, forgot account, so one link is there, so here I can use link text, partial link text also we have seen same place. Okay, so now I'll just use same thing here, text, because here text is there. Okay, single angle braces open and close, so this is text. Okay, so this will use, I'll just try to identify this text, okay, by using Xpath. Okay, as of now we have seen this text, but how? So by using how we have seen, so by using link text and partial link text. So now we'll see by using Xpath, how can I identify this by using text. Okay, same double slash and HTML tag. Xpath will be remain same, double slash, then all A will come, but I don't want all, I want only this link. So again I can give attribute is equal to this entire URL I have to pass, but we don't have to go for entire URL. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just identify this text. Okay, so now what I'll write is, so I'll just go text, so text function is equal to, and I'll pass the text. So what is the text? So we have text something called forgot account, correct? See, I'm able to identify that link by using this text. How cool it is, right? So if anything web page, if we have any text and which is there in the document object model or HTML, so we can use that text. No one drawback of this. So if it is text, so if you are passing partial text, it will not work. See, I'm not passing, I'm just missing one question mark, so it will not work. See, it is not identifying. So if you are using text, okay, if you are using text, you have to pass complete text, then only it will work, or else it will not work. So next example we'll see how to use if I'm passing partial text. So see you in the next.